I make the bed every morning. I make the bed every morning. I water the plants in the garden. I water the plants in the garden. Every morning, I hang up the laundry to dry. Every morning, I hang up the laundry to dry. I vacuum the floor every morning. I vacuum the floor every morning. I feed the dog and cat. I feed the dog and cat. I prepare breakfast every day. I prepare breakfast every day. I pack lunch for school. I pack lunch for school. I set the table before dinner. I set the table before dinner. I cook dinner for the family. I cook dinner for the family. I wash the dishes after dinner. I wash the dishes after dinner. I wipe the countertops after cooking. I wipe the countertops after cooking. I do the laundry every Saturday. I do the laundry every Saturday. I fold the laundry after washing. I fold the laundry after washing. I dust the furniture in the living room. I dust the furniture in the living room. I mop the floor after sweeping. I mop the floor after sweeping. I take out the trash every night. I take out the trash every night. I wash the car every Sunday. I wash the car every Sunday. I rake the leaves in the yard. I rake the leaves in the yard. I shovel the snow off the driveway. I shovel the snow off the driveway. I make a shopping list for groceries. I make a shopping list for groceries. I do the grocery shopping every Friday. I do the grocery shopping every Friday. I clean the refrigerator once a month. I clean the refrigerator once a month. I organize the pantry. I organize the pantry. I clean the windows in the living room. I clean the windows in the living room. I iron the clothes in the evening. I iron the clothes in the evening. I put away the laundry. I put away the laundry. I sweep the floor in the kitchen. I sweep the floor in the kitchen. I water the indoor plants. I water the indoor plants. I clean the microwave after use. I clean the microwave after use. I clean the oven once a month. I clean the oven once a month. I clean the stove after cooking. I clean the stove after cooking. I clean the toilet every week. I clean the toilet every week. I clean the mirrors in the house. I clean the mirrors in the house. I wash the bathroom sink. I wash the bathroom sink. I empty the dishwasher every morning. I empty the dishwasher every morning. I fill the dishwasher with dirty dishes. I fill the dishwasher with dirty dishes. I clean the kitchen sink every day. I clean the kitchen sink every day. I change the light bulbs when they burn out. I change the light bulbs when they burn out. I take the dog for a walk every evening. I take the dog for a walk every evening. I feed the fish in the aquarium. I feed the fish in the aquarium. I wipe the TV screen regularly. I wipe the TV screen regularly. I sweep the driveway regularly. I sweep the driveway regularly. I clean the window blinds. I clean the window blinds. I tidy up my room every day. I tidy up my room every day. My father mows the lawn once a week. My father mows the lawn once a week. At weekends, my mother usually does the shopping. At weekends, my mother usually does the shopping.